This safety video will explain the anti-corruption and anti-bribery policies to understand better the process relating to employees, management, and third parties, which helps companies avoid liabilities, fines, and penalties. Corruption is using one's position for financial or personal gain. Corruption and bribery are illegal and make companies and employees liable for fines and penalties. This affects companies' operations, and fair competition is also damaged in the areas where they operate, which undermines fair competition and damages one's reputation. Bribery has no place in business. Directly or indirectly, paying, offering, or receiving bribes is unacceptable. Employees must follow this policy. Otherwise, it could result in dismissal by the company's disciplinary procedure. Third parties must also adhere to this policy. The UK Bribery Act and the US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act are the strictest legal regimes against bribery. They have a zero-tolerance policy. If employees are pressured to breach this policy due to another company's goal, the employees must seek support from management. Employees and management must take extra care and due diligence in any interactions between public officials and employees of state-owned enterprises. A higher risk is the benefits offered to public officials, which could be interpreted as a bribe. It is the responsibility of all employees and third parties to understand and comply with this policy to prevent, detect, and report any acts or suspected bribery or corruption. To avoid any activity that might lead to or suggest breaching the policy, always be diligent when dealing with third parties for the company. All employees must declare any hospitality or gifts accepted or offered with a value exceeding $500. The company must keep written records for managerial review. If the employee does not feel comfortable about reporting a breach of policy, they must report directly to the line manager, human resources or legal. This process also includes any suspicions that relate to a manager. Thanks for watching another CMS safety video. Please like and subscribe for updates.